So cool, isn't it? Are you having fun, and are you doing your rituals and writing everything down and filling out everything you need to fill out? I hope so, because whatever you put into it, you get back out. So why not just jump full in? So I'm sure most of you are, aren't you? So anyway, so what's your story? That's what we're going to be talking about today. What is the story that you're telling about yourself? How do you want to change? And, what do you choose to create for your own life? What are the things that you're telling yourself that are keeping you from being able to live your magnificent life? I want you to write your story down, write all this stuff down, put it all down on paper, right? So, what is your story? How do you want to change? And then, who do you choose to be if all of the restrictions that you've had from this point on, if all of those restrictions were gone, huh? Who do you choose to be if all those massive restrictions that you put on yourself, out of here, gone, nowhere to be seen? Let's get that picture really clear, okay? So shut this down and let's start writing it out.